Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to record video with your own music on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So recording a video with your own music playing in the background, it used to be tricky. However, now with the camera assistance and some clever audio settings, you can now play a song and record without the system muting it. So let me show you how to do this. So first we'll go ahead and open up our camera app. Now next we'll go ahead and tap on the video mode. Then tap on the 4 dots and then tap on settings. Then you want to go ahead and scroll down and find the video section, which is right here. Tap on advanced video options. Now next go ahead and scroll down and find audio playback. So this will allow music and other audio to play while you record. Playback will pause when you're using 360 audio or a Bluetooth mic. So we'll turn this feature on. Go back, go ahead and open up Spotify. Now let's go ahead and just activate your song. Let's play this. So as you can see, the music is playing in the background. Then we can go ahead and open up our camera app and then we can go ahead and record. So as you can see, so I'll mute this. However, the audio is being played and your video is being recorded. So you can create custom social clips or vlogs with your favorite background track on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So there you go guys, that is how to record video with your own music on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.